Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today's topic number 10, circle. Previous video we learned the topic number 11, triangle. Okay, now last topic is the circle. Circle topic we learn in 4th standard also. Okay, all of you know what is the diameter, what is the chord, what is the radius, which is the center point, which is the longest chord, okay, which call you chord, all of you know. See, in this figure, see, P is a center point of circle. Okay, P is a center point of circle. P to N, what you call this line segment? Radius. Okay, you call this one radius. And diameter means what? It is a double of radius, means you call that MN. Line segment MN is a radius. And diameter means what? Two circles point join, but that line goes into the middle point. You call that one radius. And circle point and middle point, which line join now? That you call the radius. Okay, and diameter is also double of the radius. The next, chord. Chord means what? Circles any one 2 point, you join there. You join with a line. You call that one chord. Okay. And biggest chord, which line is the biggest chord? Diameter is the biggest chord in the circle. Okay. And one diameter make a one semicircle, because of any one diameter line make a semicircle. Okay, all of you understand? Now first one, segment dash dash is the diameter of the circle. Segment, which segment? Which line? MN. Which line segment? MN. In the given picture, MN is a diameter na. Join there two circles point, but come into the center point. You call that one diameter. Point dash dash is the center of the circle. Which is the center of the circle? This one is the center of the circle. This one na. So point P is the center of the circle. Segment dash dash and dash dash are the radii of the circle. Radius of the circle means what? Center point and circle point. Which line join na? That you call radius of the circle. See here, segment PN, then PM, then PR. Understand? Segment dash dash is the chord. MR is the chord. Segment dash dash is the longest chord. Which is the longest chord? See, MN. This is a diameter also. And chord means what? Circles 2 point join there. Which line join there? You call that line chord. So R is a chord, but what they want? Longest chord. MN. You call that MN. If line segment RP is 4 centimeter, then MN is a 4 centimeter. Why? All radius are same. All radius are same. Okay. So PM also 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Oral work is here. Define the following. Now also I say all these things. All these things. Now I say. Okay. Next one. Constructing of circle. Constructing of circle. How to construct the circle? How to construct the circle? (10.2) Construction of a circle. Of a circle. How to construct the circle? See here. Construct the circle means what? First, draw a circle. Okay. Construct the circle means what? Draw a circle. And in their given question, 3 centimeter. Second one, 4.3 centimeter. Okay, now see how to want 3 centimeter means you want their radius of their 3 centimeter. Keep their scale 0 to 3. First one 3 centimeter. You give their first one point on 0 and pencil keep on the 3. You got their 3 centimeter and draw their circle. And draw their circle. Okay, now this one you call that one compass. Compass. You take a compass. First one. See, when you do the circle, that time when you keep in the Karkatak your pencil, how to this type don't keep. You take a, see here. All these things touch on the ruler na. Now you join their screw. Okay, and then take a, how many centimeter? Both sides are with a equal point. With a equal point. Someone is a, कुछ तो आगे पीछे मत करिए, एक ही जैसे लीजिए. ओके. फर्स्ट वन यू ड्रॉ द 3 centimeter. Take a distance 0 to 3 and draw here. Okay, draw here and first one's point. See here. Where keep the this circle. Karkatak's point. Karkatak's means compass point. Give their center point. Give their center point. Place the legs of the compass apart of a ruler. So distance between their 3 centimeter. Okay. And legs of the compasses. We call that center point. Right there. P. Okay, right there a P. And draw here, this one is a, draw here one line. PC 3 centimeter and this one. A, B is a 6 centimeter. You got here this one 6 centimeter. See, this one is 6 centimeter na. Understand? Okay. Next one. What would they want there? Mark their center, radius and diameter also. You call that one diameter also. Okay. Next one 4.3. Keep on compass one legs on 0 and pencil come with the 4.3. Where distance completed? 4 after 4 millimeter count 1 2 3. Now draw here. Draw here one circle. And where compass's legs is, there is a center point right there. See, and here CP is a, how many distance is here? 4.3, right there 4.3 centimeter. And then draw here one diameter also. That one A B. Okay, A B. Understand how to draw the circle and show their radius, diameter. Okay, open your textbook. Write there first topic name circle, topic name circle. Then write there page number 128. 128. See here. This one come to the two legs same as it is na. When you start the walking, when you stand there, write there page number 128. Write there page number 128. Write there question number first. Draw circle with the given radii. Mark their center, radius and diameters. That one also write. First one write 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Right here 3.5. Take a distance 3.5. See 3 and there millimeter 5 means 5 lines you count there after 3 and give, take there. See how to take. 0 and then 5 numbers, 0 and 5. Take there, okay, and draw here. Give there in middle point. There is a C. Draw first. I draw here first diameter. Write there A, B, and this one is a, we call that one CP is a radius. This one is a 3.5. This one is a 3.5 centimeter and this one 3.5. 3.5 means you want here this one 7 centimeter. Understand? And right there. See the center point of the circle CB, CP, line segment CB, line segment CP, line segment CA is a radius and line segment AB is a diameter. Understand this one, right? All of you understand how to write? Okay. 4.3 also I here draw. How to draw you know. And write there this one also. Okay. B, C, D is your homework. Next one. Question number 2. Radii of the some circle are given below. Calculate their diameters. Calculate their diameters. See. Diameter means what? First semi. Double of radius. Double of radius. Give here radius. Give there radius. Okay. Now see here. One circle, their circle is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter what? Their radius. What you want? Diameter. Diameter's formula what? 2 multiplied by radius. Double of radius. 2 multiplied by 3. 3 to the 6 centimeter. Understand? Now also same. Here is 3 centimeter. 3 to the 6 centimeter. Okay. 4.5. Next one. 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. See here. 4.5 multiplied by 2. 5 to the 10. Carry 1. 2 4 the 8 plus 1 9. After point, how many number are there? 1. Give there. Write their answer 9 centimeter. Next one 10 meter. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. Which sign given na? That one you write. That is a must. Okay. Next one. Question number 3. Draw a circle in the provided space with the radius 2.5 centimeter and P as the center. Now draw another circle with P as the center, radius 4 centimeter, fill in the blanks. Okay, first what you do here? First one circle 2.5. 2.5. See here, 2 after 2, how many is there? 5. Draw here first. Now you want this one pointer, compass legs point you want here. Okay, that one also is center point of another circle is 4 centimeter. Take a distance 4 centimeter. Keep on compass legs on that point also and draw there. And what is the name of center point? This one is a center point. What is the name of? P. Now, diameter of the bigger circle. Diameter of the bigger circle. Bigger circle which 4 centimeter radius is there. Diameter's formula what? Double of radius. 2 multiplied by 4, 8 centimeter. Diameter of smaller circle. Smaller circle radius what? 2.5. 2.5. 2.5 multiplied by 2. 5 to the 10. Carry 1. 2 to the 4 plus 5. 1 5. After point, how many is number there? 1. So count there 1 and give there. Before that number, give there point. Write their answer 5 centimeter. Difference between the diameter of the two circles. Difference between diameter of two circles. 8 centimeter minus 5 centimeter. 8 minus 5, 3 centimeter. You got their answer 3 centimeter. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, next one, interior and exterior of the circle. Interior and exterior of the circle. Interior means अंदर का, exterior means बाहर का. Okay. See here. See here, interior point which? Circle of interior which point? See. This all is a interior. This all is a interior. Okay. This shaded part is a interior. And this one is a exterior. The part of beyond of circumference of a circle called that exterior of circle. The point of in the circle, see here, point of A, P, B is in the interior. Is the interior of the circle M and N is lie on circumferences, means length PM and length PN is reduced. Length PM and length PN is reduced. X and Y is a exterior of the circle. Okay, X and Y is a exterior of the circle. Y is here. Okay. The portion of MTN of the circle is arc of the circle. You call this one arc of the circle. All of you understand? APB is the interior of the circle, XY is the exterior of circle, and MTN is the arc of the circle. When you join P and M point, you got there PM. PM is a radius of the circle. Same as it is PN. Same as it is a PT. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, this one. Here draw one diameter. Okay, here draw one diameter. You call this one half circle, yeah, semicircle. And I draw here two radius, but not a diameter. You call that one quarter of the circle. circle. This is come from the diameter, this is come from the radius, this is come from the radius. Okay, now PM and PN is same as it is na, length PM and length PN also same, is also same. Then length Px, P to X I draw here one line, and P to Y also I draw here line. Which is the big? Which is the big? Py na. So Px is less than the Py. Which is the nearby the circle? Exterior point nearby the circle, you call that the smaller than the long by the circle's point. Okay, now open your textbook, observe the figure, answer the question. Answer the question. Here is a one circle given you. First one, see, A is the center point of circle, CB is a diameter, AC is a radius, AB also your radius, AD also radius, BED, MBED is the arc of the circle, arc of the circle, and here T is the exterior point, exterior point. Understand? Now see, A is the center of the circle. Insert more than, less than, or is equal to sign, is equal to sign. Length AB and length AC, compare there. Which is the big? Both are the same because of both are radius of circle, both are radius of circle. Then length of AT and length of AB, which is the greatest? AT is a greater than the length of AB. Then length of AP and length of AB. AP is a smaller than the AB. Why? P is a interior point and B is the arc of point. And arc of point and center point, when you join there is a, you got their radius. But interior point and center point, when you join, you got the radius? No. So length of AB is greater than the length of AP. Length of AB and AM both are same. When you join there, AM is greater than, M is a exterior point, na? M is a exterior point. So AB is smaller than the AM. AB is smaller than the AM. Next one, what is a BED? What is the called a BED? Arc of a circle. Arc of a circle. Shaded part of the circle show the coordinate. Coordinate means you got here quarter. 1 quarter you shaded there. See here, you shaded here. Okay. Next one. Draw a circle and color the semicircle. Draw a circle and color the semicircle. See. Here draw one circle. Keep See here, this one is a up down is there. So first one you keep. This is the first rule of the circle. When you draw two legs, both sides are, you want their equal. Okay, now you draw here one circle. Draw here one circle. Where is the center point here na? There draw one diameter. And shaded there, semicircle. All of you understand? Okay. Now here portion is completed. Today's homework, page number 127 to 129 completed. Okay. Thank you. And in this semester exam, you write the paper with your pen. Don't use their pencil.